Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day. We have the pine soda that we made, and we are gonna see what's what. So the plain sugar, I was watching it. Let me get my flashlight out to try to show you what I was. So like it has some bubbles in it, okay? Like see, it bubbles a wee bit. But this one seemed to have a light fizz at the top of it all the time. Bunch of bubbles. And this one was honey. This one was sugar. And I'm about to pop the top on here. I'm going to do the sugar first, just because I don't think it's going to do anything. And give it a taste. Oh, dang! Holy smokes! It got, yeah, it's like literally fizzy in there. All right, super cool. I didn't expect that at all. It smells like Sprite. Let's see, let me give it a little swig. Tastes like Sprite. All right, that is pretty cool, and it actually does taste very much like Sprite or 7-Up, something like that. I probably ought to try to strain this. One more sip, just to. Yeah, it's very citrusy. Pretty cool, like flat Sprite. It's lightly carbonated Sprite. All right, that was cool. That surprised me. I didn't think I was gonna get any kind of results out of that other than just maybe some sweet water. So that's cool. Here's the honey. For whatever reason, I was excited about the honey because it looked like there was a lot more going on, but maybe I got my hopes up, and what I thought was happening in this one wasn't what we wanted to happen. But here we go. Oh yeah. Do you see that? And these have been, oh yeah, it's way more powerful looking. But these have been in room temperature since last Sunday, I think we did it. Saturday or Sunday, can't remember. But it is much citrusy-er smelling. Let's see. Oh, that's beer. This is this one fermented a little more hardcore. It's meaty kind of tasting. It's got lots of these like little crusty deals on it. So I should strain this and then see what's what. But this one definitely tastes like, yeah. Oh yeah. Very mead sour-esque. It's pretty cool. Like probably I like the tastes are different though. It's not the same. Like you can taste this one has more of a alcohol-y taste to it versus this one is more like just a Sprite. Sprite beer. It does have a You can taste it. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm going to strain these guys and sip on them, I guess. That's pretty cool. So the video is a few back on my channel, and it was very simple. Water. I used bottled water. A good, say, a wad like this of pine shavings, or pine needles in both of them. Filled them up and left about 1.5 inches of headroom, I guess. And then I put sugar in this one and honey in this one. Pretty cool. Very surprising. And it's a different flavor than the tea. The tea is a very pine tree-esque. This is more cinnamon. Cinnamon. Damn, I can't talk today. Citrusy. Sorry. Very Sprite-like. But pretty cool. Interesting little experiment. I believe if it was really cold, it would be very refreshing. Especially that one. Takes me back to my sour beer days. I love sour beer. But anyway, very, very interesting. It doesn't take much to do. A couple of bottles that you can seal up good like this. These were butterscotch cream soda that I got from Cracker Barrel. You can find these at Cracker Barrel for $2 or $3 for the whole thing, including the cream soda or root beer. So the bottles, pine needles, honey, sugar, and water. That's it. That's all I did to them. And a little bit of patience. But pretty cool. All in all, I'm satisfied. Check out our older stuff at Bushcraft Kelso on Instagram. Check out Gizmos and Gadgets at bushcraftkelso.com. Again, thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. Feel free to like and subscribe. We got a lot more stuff coming down the line. Later.